Hello, Tanya and Advanced Smiles Dental. My name is Eddy with Lionette Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is, well, they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, pro. Please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So the way Google's bots work is your first main page should at least have 1,500 words with keywords implemented in those words to be able to start ranking a little better on Google. The way I find this out is I actually use a free tool called SEO Quick, and I definitely recommend getting it. It actually will help you not only with your website, but external linking, so on and so forth. I can hit page info and I actually can scroll down and see that you guys have about 2,300 words, which is amazing. That's something outstanding. You guys are way above 1,500 words. But if I take a look at your guys' one of your top competitors and do the same exact thing, I can hit SEO Quick, page info, and you can scroll down. They have about 2,400 words. You guys are on par in terms of word count. The only difference is they actually have optimized keywords implemented in their in their overall web page in order to rank better for Google. Not only that, you can also take pictures and optimize them as well. So when I save image as, instead of saving that as home pic, I can actually save that as a keyword in Google. That way I actually start ranking a little better for Google. Now the next thing I want to go over is citations. And when we talk about this, we call this the Google Map Pack or the maps. And on these results, we can see the business's name, address, and phone number, aka maps. So when I search up Dentist Austin, Texas, and scroll down, this is what I'm talking about. This is the Google Map Pack. So you must be asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? So to answer your question, we actually use another resource we call Whitesparks. And here we can actually not only look up your business, but also look up your competitors. And we can see that you guys have about 7 citations. And when we look at your competition, they actually have about 10 citations. Now, citations or NAPs are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation, and that's how you start ranking better in Google Maps. Now, the third and last thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect of Google, and we call this thing that gives your site authority link juice or backlinks. And when we can search up Dentist Austin, Texas, we can see that your site isn't number 1. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to beat out your competition in every aspect. This link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have a relative site linking back to you. For example, if you have Delta Dental linking to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you, because hey, you don't sling pizzas for a living. Now, another tool that we can use, and a very good tool that we can use, is Ahrefs. And we can not only put in your website, but we can also put in your top competitor and see what they have in terms of backlinks. So when we go over to your guys' website, we can see that you guys have about 42 referring domains, which is giving you guys about 226 backlinks. That is a great start, but you guys need more optimization in those backlinks and more rich backlinks or referring domains. Now, when we look at your competition, they have about 134 referring domains, which is giving them 582 backlinks. Now, the very cool thing about this tool is we can actually go into these referring domains and go after every single one of these backlinks and put them on your website and go after every other top competitor that is within your area and go after their backlinks as well. So, once again, content, your page should be a little more optimized with Google. You want to add more keywords and you want to optimize pictures. Citations, you want to at least have 200 to 300 of these in order to beat out your competition in the Google Map Pack. And then last but not least, link juice. You guys need more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 512-823-0370. Once again, my name is Eddy with Land Solutions, and my number is 512-823-0370. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.